reaction is coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Bharatiya Janata Party has attacked the Congress. They have gone on to say that this exposes Rahul Gandhi's hypocrisy. They are going on to allege that will Congress once again now reiterate the misuse of agencies claim. So this is a claim that the Congress party has been making constantly, that the BJP misuses agencies to break parties, and now they are questioning the hypocrisy. Amita is joining us live. Amita, what's the latest?
Right, so the hypocrisy that has now been mentioned by the BJP here, Sagrika, let's in a way get you the BJP point of view. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP says that when someone joins the BJP, it becomes Operation Lotus. Congress ecosystem and YouTube Jamaat seems to be making those allegations. When Congress breaks the MLCs and MLAs and MP of any other party, the BRS in this case, operation, is it pin drop silence? The question that has now been raised, saying that is this Jai Samvidhan for Rahul Baba, or will the preacher of constitutional morality get them all to resign first? Is this not Jod Tod Ki Rajniti? Double standards of the Congress. Even BRS did this when they were in power. Both Congress and the BRS are the two sides of the same parivarik coin. Priorities in Telangana, not Kisan, not women's safety, only Satta, Satta, Satta. So those are the allegations on part of the BJP that is now being raised importantly, not just against the Congress, but also against the BRS.
All right, so let's also listen into what Shehzad Poonawalla of the Bharatiya Janata Party has to say as these defections take place in Telangana from the BRS to the Congress.
हाथी के दांत कांग्रेस के सिद्धांत खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग। राहुल गांधी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, उनका इकोसिस्टम दिन रात चिल्लाता है ऑपरेशन लोटस अगर कोई बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर ले, और जब कांग्रेस पार्टी स्वयं रात के अंधेरे में मिडनाइट में 6-6, 7-7 बीआरएस के नेताओं को, एमएलसी, राज्यसभा एमपी सबको अपने साथ ले ले, तब वो ऑपरेशन पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस बन जाता है। कोई बोलेगा नहीं कि ये जोड़ तोड़ की राजनीति है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी प्रीच करने वाले राहुल गांधी जी, इनसे रेजिग्नेशन लीजिए ना पहले, और आप करे तो चमत्कार, अगर कोई और करे तो वो गुनेगार। अब बताइए कि ये जोड़ तोड़ की राजनीति है या नहीं है? बीआरएस जब सत्ता में थी तब उसने भी ऐसा किया, कांग्रेस आई तो वो भी ऐसा कर रही है। तेलंगाना की कोई चिंता नहीं, किसान आत्महत्या करता रहे। इसका मतलब ये है कि दोनों बीआरएस और कांग्रेस एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू है।
All right, moving